So we're faced with coronavirus. There is a vaccine. Am I going to take it? Am I not? Not sure. But we can't beat it. There's no cure. So what do we do? What's our best defense against coronavirus? And in a sense, your best defense is being as healthy as you can be. Now that sounds a little inane, but if you can focus on just general good health, you give your immune system its best opportunity, or the best opportunity it can, to function as it was designed to function and beautifully created by God. So people often say, what should I take to boost my immunity? There is no pill you can take to boost immunity. Zinc might help a little bit. Vitamin C, yeah. Vitamin D, But the truth is, if you're having a healthy diet, a healthy, balanced diet, I'm talking whole, real food, then you don't need to supplement because your body is getting all the nutrition it needs. When it comes to sleep, do you know that if you sleep for 6 hours or less, you get a reduction in T cells. Those are the cells that recognize virus, and they trigger that kill switch to tell your immune system, go and nail that virus. You get a reduction in that so significantly if you sleep less than 6 hours. So much so that a study showed that if people who slept 6 hours or less had 3 times a greater likelihood of developing the common cold than those who slept 7 hours or more. I mean, that's insane. So there's sleep, sufficient sleep, guys. So you've got to eat properly, sufficient sleep. And when it comes to exercise is a double whammy. It has the opportunity to reduce stress hormones. And when stress hormones are reduced, you increase your white cell count. Cortisol, high stress reduces white cell count, those little cells that fight your disease for you. Low cortisol, no stress, white cell count goes up, plus a natural boosting of immunity when you exercise. So if you ask me today, what can I do to protect myself and my family from COVID outside of a vaccine and outside of social distancing and all the other things we should be doing, I just say eat, sleep, and move. Eat whole foods, sleep 7 hours at least, and move as much as you can.